countless hours searching and looking for a travel host agency, and you have no idea which travel host agency to select. Well, today we're going to go over my recommendation for the best host agency. My name is Sundey Gardner, your online travel boss, and we're going to look at the 3 top reasons why I've selected this recommendation and how you can get in contact with them. So my recommendation is Outside Agents. It is a travel host agent that is available to anyone who's interested in becoming a travel agent. Here are the 3 reasons why I absolutely love them, and number 1 reason is their financials. So if you've been looking around, you know that a lot of travel host agencies have setup fees. Maybe they have high prices in terms of their monthly fees. Their commission splits are not that great. But with Outside Agents, they have a low monthly fee. It's $21 per month, the starting level. The next level is $41. The commission split is 80-20, 80 to us and 20 to them. So from the perspective of financials, you can't beat them in terms of setup and then monthly commissions or actual commissions. The number 2 reason I like them is their business tools. They have an amazing CRM system or customer relation management system that is included in the monthly fee, and all you have to do is sign up. What it allows you to do is create proposals for your customers. It allows you to send them invoices, collect payments, and they also have a customer portal that allows you to interact with your customers. Your customers can send credit card authorizations to you through the portal. And then they also have a great tool that allows you to build individual pages for your trips where your customers can sign up for the trip, get all of the information that you need to book the trip without having to have a separate way. They'll integrate with your website with no extra effort on your part. The tools are very easy to use. They're very user-friendly, and I absolutely love them, and they're all included in your monthly membership. So for $21, not only do you get the superpower of travel agent, you also get some amazing tools. And then the 3rd reason that I like them is that they are a silent partner. And when I mean silent, I really mean silent. They're not in your business. They don't tell you how to market your travel business, nor do they tell you how to operate your business. And if you've watched my video on what are the 3 ways to select a host agency, that's one of my top reasons for selecting, is making sure that the partner is silent. Additionally, there is one con to Outside Agents, so I want to make sure that you have all the information, is in order for you to get approved for your CLIA card, which is your identification card to travel as a travel agent, you do need to have earned $5,000 in commissions. Other than that, Outside Agents is a great option for any beginner travel agent to partner with. And so here are some of the things that you need to do to get started. You'll need to go to the information that's in the description field here. There's a link to sign up with them. I am not affiliated with them in terms of making any commissions or anything with that. I really do love their tools and I do love them as an agency, but the link to sign up with them is in the description. And if you like this, what you want to check out is the video that I have, which will demonstrate how to actually use some of the features inside of Outside Agent. So look out for that video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks.